I'm Tulsa divorce attorney Palmer Johnson. Welcome to my video series where I address frequently asked questions about divorces, guardianships, and adoptions. My question today is, I always had a great relationship with my kids, but now it seems like something's changed and my spouse is trying to alienate the children from me. What should I do? Oftentimes in a contested child custody matter, whether it's a paternity case, a divorce case, anything that could be high conflict or highly contested can bring out the worst in both parties at times. But sometimes parents decide that they want to use the children as a weapon or a tool that they think is going to give them some kind of an advantage. And we call this parental alienation, where they're systematically seeking to speak negatively about one parent, influence the children to not want to have a good experience or go to visitation with the other parent, on and on and on. They might even go as far as making false abuse allegations. Depending on exactly what the other parents decided to do to try to alienate your children from you will depend on what the response should be. But as a general rule, there are some tools that can get to the bottom of this and potentially punish the other parent. And that's why I would always caution clients that even though this can be the most frustrating thing that they've experienced, and it can feel very unfair and one-sided, they should always attempt to remain the bigger person and let the system sort this problem out, because if they will follow the steps and get the proof they need, then they will end up with a far better result. So you could potentially ask the court to appoint a guardian ad litem, and this is somebody who's going to advocate for the objective best interest of the child, and they're going to complete this process by investigating both parents, and potentially, depending on the age of the kids, they may speak to the children, and then they're going to deliver a report to the court. They might do a preliminary report and then a final report, but it takes the he said, she said out of the testimony and provides a direct line to the court to really paint a picture of what's going on. And if one parent is alienating the other parent, coaching the children about abuse allegations, and so on, you can typically get to the heart of that. The court can clearly see that from a credible source, and they're going to make custody decisions based on that. And the outcome that you would be asking for in a situation like that with an alienating parent, the ultimate punishment, of course, would be to award you sole custody. And depending on how egregious the allegations are, it could even be that they have to do supervised visitation. But you can sort of use tools like that to exonerate yourself from these sort of false allegations or narratives that your ex might be trying to create. So if you have a high conflict child custody matter that you need help with, please contact me at Moms.Law. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like or share. Thanks.